Welcome to this AbanteCart e-commerce tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Cursor AI app to clone the Novator theme into a new extension called NovatorCustom for your AbanteCart store. Start by going to the official Cursor website and download the Cursor app for your operating system. This app allows you to work with AI directly in your codebase. Once Cursor is installed, open your browser and go to the official AbanteCart GitHub repository. This is where the full source code for AbanteCart is hosted. Copy the repository URL from the GitHub page. Next, open the Cursor app, click the Clone Repo button. When prompted, paste the AbanteCart GitHub URL. After cloning is complete, Cursor will ask if you want to open the project. Click Open to continue. On the left sidebar, browse the folder structure. Navigate to Public HTML extensions, Novator config.xml file. This confirms that the original Novator theme files are available. Now look to the right side of the screen. There, you'll see the AI chat window. In this chat, enter the following prompt to instruct the AI to create a cloned theme. Create a new extension, NovatorCustom, based on existing extension Novator. Copy only PHP, SQL, and XML files, excluding controllers and view files. Update all copied files to have new extension name and paths. Extension should be compatible with AbanteCart 1.4.2 and include English language files updated to new template extension. Make sure all copied PHP classes and function have unique names specific to new extension. Copy layout and update it to use new extension name. See Novator extension images and generate similar icon and preview for new extension NovatorCustom. Copy storefront controller and view folders and files. Update those files with new extension name and path. The AI will start processing the request. Follow the on-screen suggestions. Before installing the new theme, it is strongly recommended to create a full database backup of your AbanteCart store. When the AI asks to run or confirm changes, click Run or Approve as needed. Once the cloning process is complete, open your web hosting panel and go to the File Manager. Locate the folder for your AbanteCart site. Navigate to the Extensions directory. Then click Upload and select the NovatorCustom folder that was created by Cursor AI. Go to your AbanteCart admin panel and log in with your admin credentials. In the admin menu, go to Extensions Templates page. Look for NovatorCustom template in the list and click Install. Once installed, change the status to On. Click Save. Now go to Design Templates page. Set NovatorCustom as the active storefront theme. To see the result, click the Storefront button at the top of the page. The site should now display using the cloned NovatorCustom theme. Keep in mind that results from Cursor AI may vary depending on your specific setup. If anything doesn't work as expected, try giving the AI additional follow-up prompts to fix or adjust the generated code. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more AbanteCart tutorials. Thanks for watching.